Alright, this is the Weller soldering iron that I just got. And I'm pretty new to soldering, so you're going to see a noob. This is just to show you what it is. There's 3 lights on it. That's what the lights look like on it. I mean, I'm not soldering in the dark, so I can't say I'm going to use it, but I mean, that helps to tell me that it's on, because there's no other indication that it's on other than it's getting hot. But you know what I mean, if I walk away and I leave it on, or whatever the case may be, at least these lights will be like, hey, I'm on, you know? So I have an idea, just in case I'm irresponsible. But yeah, it's a 40 watt, and I'm gonna just put some solder on here, and this is my probably 3rd time soldering ever in my life, so I don't know what I'm doing, but I gotta heat up the wire, I think, or something like that first, and then if you're new to it, you're gonna understand as well. But so yeah, I'm just gonna put some solder on here, and you're gonna see what it looks like when I'm doing it on here. Okay. Alright, so that's how a newbie solders. But hey, look, and it's soldered on, you know, and then you get this, you get these things. I got these at Walmart cheap. You get these heat shrink wraps right there. There, you can see that. Heat shrink wraps. I just got the cheap one to test it out first. This is a 9-piece, comes with different sizes. And you put it on there, cut it the size or whatever, heat it up with the bigger end of the stick so you don't get sticky stuff all over the tip. And you just heat it up on here, on the wire, just to conceal it instead of using a wire nut. So I know I'm just trying it out, so this is just me trying it out and showing you I'm trying it out. That's about it, just so you could see a little review on this thing heating up. I can't give you a time on how long this Weller takes to heat up. I mean, I'm not in a rush, so when I plug it in, you know, I usually wait a minute or two. Honestly, I wait a minimum of 2 minutes, and then I start using it. So I'm not in a rush, so I don't know, you know, if it heats up in 45 seconds or a minute and it's ready to go. I usually wait more than 2, so that's about it. Oh, it comes with this little stand as well to put your thing on. This little stand over here. All right, I'm just showing you. Like I said, I bought that at Home Depot. It seems to work good for me, and I'm totally new at this, so it seems to work. And I'll show you. I used it for my track, for my train track. Where is it? Right there. I did it right there on my train track, so there's no soldering on the inside, because you don't want to get solder on the inside, because the train's on your wheels, right? The grooves are on the inside, so you'll be bumping all over the place. So you want to make sure that solder's on the outside. This way, when your train's going over it, it won't be bumping around, because I did it the first time as a newbie and kind of messed that up. So, but now I know. So now, that was, like I said, that was my first solder when I got it, and I think it looks pretty damn good for a first-time solder. I mean, maybe it looks bad, but I don't know. It serves its purpose. It's sending electricity to my track, and that's what I needed it to do, because I broke my connector on there, so it worked. But that was a review of the Weller that I just got from Home Depot. Oh, here's the model number on this thing. There we go. Oh, sorry. I know. It's right there. Can you see it? Of course, we'll zoom in for me. Wow. What's wrong with my... Oh, there it is. Alright, there's the model number and the wattage and all that other stuff if you need it, just to let you know. Alright, thank you for watching. That's it.